think of your gut microbiome as having layers, right? So the very top layers, every time you go to the toilet, they leave your body, right? So there's very superficial. They go with the rest of the waste. Then the middle layers are more stable, but they're influenced by the food you eat, the things you drink, the medications you're taking. And the very bottom layer is the cornerstone species. They're the ones that you have since childhood. They're very difficult to change. They're the ones right by the gut lining. So when you eat or drink for a couple of days in a way that's not helpful, your top layer is going to suffer. So those guys can't make the helpful metabolites, the helpful chemicals that usually help you. And they tend to make things that are more inflammatory. So that pro-inflammatory environment does affect the middle layers a bit. But if you do that for a whole month, then the top layer is really suffering. The middle layer starts to also create pro-inflammatory chemicals, and it can actually affect the bottom layer, where then you start to see that your intestinal barrier and the mucus that's supposed to protect you starts to separate and break, and then you can really have more serious effects, such as inflammation in the gut, symptoms of things like IBS, and just discomfort. And we do know that this kind of inflammation in the gut doesn't just stay in the gut. When you have inflammation in the gut, it travels to the rest of your body. It's what we call systemic.